Hi, welcome to this practice question on being able to enlarge a shape by a positive scale factor. What I'd like you to do is to have a go at this question. You've got enlarge shape A, it's not actually labelled A, but it's this little triangle here, by a scale factor 3 with a centre enlargement of 2, 1. Have a go at that, pause the video, have a go at that, and then when you're happy with your answer, then restart the video and I'll go through a model answer with you. So pause the video now, have a go at this question. Hi, welcome back. Let's now go through this question together. What we've got to do is we've got to enlarge shape A, this shape here, by a scale factor 3, centre enlargement to 1. Okay, well what we're going to do first of all is we're going to find our centre enlargement, which is 2, 1 here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move along to 2, 1, and I'm just going to put a little cross here to show that that is my centre of enlargement. What I'm now going to do is I'm going to draw some lines coming out from that centre enlargement. We call them rays, coming out from the centre enlargement to the corner of the shape, or each of the corners of the shape. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to draw this line going out from the point touching the corner, like that. Now, this has to be extremely accurate if you're going to do it this way, because if we have a look, what we're actually doing, we're going along 1 and up 2, along 1, up 2. Already that's slightly off, along 1, up 2, slightly off, along 1, up 2. So as you go out, if you make a little mistake initially, that mistake is magnified as you go out along the line. A better way of actually doing this would be to look at how far we're going along and how far we're going up, and to keep going on in that process, doing it in steps. So if we start here and we say we go along 1 and up 2 to get to this corner. If I then go along 1 and up 2 and carry on going along 1 and up 2, just got to start that again. So along 1 up 2, along 1 up 2, along 1 up 2 to there. Now I can see now that each of these corners, this line, touches each of these corners. So if I do that with the other lines, let's start at the center here. For this one, I'm just going along 1 and up 1. So if we go along 1, up 1, 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 that should be far enough. And the same with this last bottom corner here. We can see from this point we're going along 3 and up 1. So if I start in the corner here again, I'm going to go along 3 up 1, along 3 up 1, along 3 up 1, along 3 up 1. Now I know that these lines are exactly correct. What I now need to look at is my scale factor enlargement. We've got a scale factor enlargement of 3 times the amount. So what I would do is I'd say, okay, here I went along 1 and up 2. So if I'm going to multiply that by 3, I'm going to have to go along 3 and up 6. So if we then go 1, 2, 3 along, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up. And I can see on my line, that's where the point actually goes to. So I put a little cross there. Do the same with the next point. Here I'd be going along 1 and up 1. If I multiply that by 3, I'm going to be going along 3 and up 3. So from the point centre enlargement, I go along 3 and up 3. There's my point, my centre of enlargement. And then the last one, I'm going along 3 and up 1. Multiply that by 3, I'm going to be going along 9 and up 3. So be careful here, going 3, 6, 9 and up 3. It should be on the line that you've drawn. If it's not, you've probably made a mistake in the counting along and upwards. I've now got my points on the lines. What I now need to do is just draw in the triangle in the same orientation as it was originally. So just join my points up. And that gives us my new triangle enlarged by scale factor 3, centre to